Okay, I'll cover the De-Plasticizing solution. When you print, there will be lots of ink accumulated underneath the printhead carriage, and you need to remove those old dry ink. If you do the de-plasticizing, you're basically doing this. You have ink accumulated underneath the printhead, and the de-plasticizing solution will make the dried ink softer and be able to be removed. Again, DTFPRO said that the de-plasticizing solution is not for use inside the printhead. This rubber seal is very important because it creates a vacuum and can suck ink from the printhead. So if this get dried ink accumulated, you will not be able to clean the printhead efficiently. This wiper cleans the excessive ink on the bottom of the printhead, and you can see it got really easy get cleaned with a de-plasticizing solution. If you go to DTFPRO.com, you go to Clean and Parts, scroll down, and you're going to find this sampler pad.